How to disable auto quality on YouTube. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, you need to head over to your application YouTube. Make sure it is up to date. Once you're in the home page, now what you want to do is head over to You at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Head over to YouTube Quality Preferences. Move into it. Now simply head over to On Mobile Networks. Right now, the settings is set to auto. In order to remove it, you need to set it to high picture quality. Similarly, go back and head over to On Wi-Fi and set the settings to higher picture quality. After that, your auto quality will be turned off and then you'll be good to go. That's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.